we have the first fish on for the day. What did it eat?
I don't know. Dusky.
What did it eat?
Where? Sardine.
I think so. Putting a nice paint on it.
More grunt. Eating grunters. Size of underside.
We got a fish on here at the Kransies. I think it's a baby stem, bro. My guess. It's a big Cape Stumpy. Cape Stumpy. Okay, we got a baby grunter. They fight for the sizes. Alright, we have 2 fish on. One is a Cape Stumpness and then we have a Kimbra. We'll get back to it shortly. To release this Cape Stumpnose. The setup that I'm using is a Shimano Sedona with a Daiwa 7-foot rod. A crossfire, this one. With a 1/0 circle hook. I think is landed circle hooks, and with a 11-pound test, and with a normal ball sinker and swivel. Now the bait that we are using is mud prawns. How I like to hook it is in the head and till there, and I pull the hook through about. And I'll hook it like that. And the hook is nicely hidden in the bait, the mud prawn, so the big fish won't see the hook. Now there's nice rocks here in front. Just in front of the rocks. Now I like to hold my rod like this so I can see if something bites. Okay, we got a bite. Still biting. Fish on. This one feels a bit bigger. Feels heavy. I don't know what it is. I'll see when it comes off. En hy is steenbrand. Try en bout flippie. Oh no, we'll come to equal. Yeah, it's quick release. Okay, we have a fish on. And it's raining now. Another steenbrouw, baby one. And this species is a semi-endangered species. Its size limit is 60 centimeters. So I think this one is a bit tiny for 60. So we're gonna put them back. What are you catching?
My guess is good as yours. Let's see. Give me. Oh, sorry. What's it? Do a quick release. Uitvit.
Okay, we got a steenbrouw on. Uitflippen. This is how the mud prawn looks. First I take the tip of the tail, hook it from the bottom to up 3 times through the head so the head don't fall off if you cast it. Throw it into the abyss. And hopefully the big fish will take it. We have a fish on. Almost pulled the rod in the water. Nee. I think it's a bream. Grunt. He's talking to the camera. His fins is extremely sharp spikes. Gently remove the hook.
Okay, granter.
Little baby grunt. There is in the net.
Is
So we're gonna see if it's size. If it's size, we're gonna take them to the pan. They catch and cook. Because we released a lot of them today. So we're gonna see if he's sized over 40 centimeters. Here his nose is between the piece of aluminium. And he's so just barely over 40 centimeters in the V of his tail, so it's size. So we will do a catch and cook with him. Tiny fish. Maybe a baby grunter. My guess. We have some fight in there. Baby grunter. I'm gonna release him. Okay, I'm gonna throw it about between the boat and the shoreline. A little bit to the shoreline. And I just place my fishing rod here and wait for the next bite. Okay, we got the baby corp. We have a fish who almost snapped the rod in the middle when it was in the rod holder. So we will see what it is when it comes out. I'm not exaggerating, it almost snapped in the rod holder. It's a dirty fighter. Come this way. The grunter.
Mooi grunter.
We got another one on, a grunter. Alright, so it's a big grunter. It almost took a expensive combo.
Grunter.
There we go.
Ja, grunter kilo is 'n size grunter laai. Sien?
It's expensive fish this. We have a little pop on. Okay, we got another cob. Okay, we got another one on. Beëindig om 2 albei in shark infested waters. Weer upriver.
5 kilometers from the ferry. From the ferry hotel.
Baby grunt. Doesn't fight that area. Spike flip him. Okay, this fun day came to an end here at the Gamtoos. We are now going home and gonna cook the fish that we caught and gonna make fish cakes. And thank you for watching and please subscribe.